Hello Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmad from Shakespeare.com and welcome in lecture number 4. Today we are going to learn the basic syntax of PHP so you can easily understand what's going on when you are working on PHP. So in the last lecture you learned how can you create the files and you learned the index.php file, and you also learned how can you create your files. अबे भाई यहाँ से है. Hello Udemy, I'm Shazad Ahmad from Shakespeare.com and welcome in lecture number 4. Today we are going to explain the PHP mechanism, the PHP basic syntax. How can you write the PHP script or PHP syntax? Make sure whenever I say PHP script or whenever I say the PHP syntax, so these are the same thing. So this is the PHP script first of all, because PHP is a scripting language. Why? So I will explain in my later lectures, but now you learned how can you create the PHP file like second.php, and you learned how can you create the index.php file, and you also learned that if you have thousands of files inside a particular directory and you have a single file index.php, you have a thousands of files with a single file index.php at the same folder. So your server definitely execute the index.php file. So this is the rule. Okay, why it's doing so don't worry about it. So this is the rule. So in this series or in this lecture I am going to explain what is the syntax. First of all, the basic syntax of PHP, you have to write the less than sign, okay, a question marks, PHP and question marks and this sign. Okay, so you can see you have write it less than sign, your question mark, PHP. Make sure all letters are capitals. And if you can go to your, so this is the second.php file. Make sure this is a second.php file. So I have installed my XAMPP inside my E drive first of all. Then we have created the PHP folder inside my htdocs folder. Okay, so we have a htdocs folder inside my E drive. So okay, let me show you. Okay, so now you can see I have a PC. I have 3 drives, E, F and C first of all. So this is the E drive where I installed the XAMPP server. Okay, click on this. So here are some folders. Ignore all folders. You are concerned with this server. So this is the folder. You can see in this folder I have a lot of folder like htdocs, and you can see a lot of folders. Once you installed the XAMPP server, you can also see the overall servers. You can see okay, htdocs, inside the htdocs I have created the PHP folder. So ignore all these folders, poetry, Shakespeare, or whatever, image, e-commerce. So you concern with this folder. So I have a PHP folder, and in this folder I have second.php file. Okay, so that's why I'm saying localhost. That means I'm saying go to htdocs, find php folder / I'm saying find second.php file. So you can see nothing is happened because this is the empty script. If you write the hello world, go to your page, refresh the page. So now you can see you have written the hello world. So first of all, in your PHP tags, you can write your PHP script. You can define your variables, you can declare your variables, you can call your functions, methods, you can create your class, and you can call anything related with your server-side language. Okay, what happens when you write the HTML code at the above of this code? So what do you think? Okay, so now we have a head tag. So we have a head tag close, and now inside your head tag, you know that you have a title, and you have body, and now I'm saying h1. Sorry, h1 close here. Now I am saying hello PHP or hello PHP. Go to your page, refresh the page. You can see it's also working fine. So you can write your HTML script inside your PHP file first of all. Then you can also write your HTML tags inside your echo. I'm saying hello world. Go to your page, refresh the page. Now view page source. You can see you have one tag of hello world. So that means you can call any tags inside your PHP. First of all, you have write your HTML tags outside of the PHP script. So it's totally depend upon you. I'm just telling you that these are the possibilities. You can write your HTML codes, and you can write okay. So in the next lecture we are going to explain further what is echo, and why we need to write this echo first of all, and then we will move further. So this is not hello, this is hello. Okay, so go to your page, refresh the page. So hello world. So in this way you can create your script. You can define your script, or you can create your tags inside your PHP script, or you can define your HTML tags outside of your PHP script. So these are the rules you can follow whenever you are writing the PHP script. Make sure PHP code or PHP script, these are the same things. Whenever I say PHP code or whenever I say PHP script, that means these are the same things. So I think this is enough for today. So thank you for watching.